have your attention?
Hello!
Hey guys, how are you doing? We have the opportunity to get access to the most crucial projects for very interesting companies.
All the people I work with are top of their class, they're complete geniuses. The variety is unlimited. I like that. It's the reason why I'm here.
So there is a lot of freedom and autonomy when you're working at BCG Platinion. That's definitely part of our culture.
Because we're a part of BCG, we have the top-down access to be able to get those barriers out of the way and actually make the things happen that we're working on.
It's a company culture of working together to deliver the best result possible.